let's look at the backward roll. A backward roll is where you take one side of your body and cross it over towards the other side. Think of half an X. So either right shoulder to left or left shoulder to right. In this case, we actually take our knee and lead to our shoulder. So from here, I will take this knee, my left, and I'll kick it back toward my right shoulder. I'm off of my bottom. I'm going to rock back my body and use the momentum that I'm creating from that rocking motion to kick me over. I want to avoid going straight back. If I go straight back, my head and shoulder will stop the roll. Instead, I will go diagonally. So from here, squatting down, this knee, this shoulder, chin tuck, and I come up. Ideally, my head should not touch the ground during this roll. From the side, I'm here. I'll take one knee to one shoulder, roll, and come through. From this angle, I'm here, rock back, and come right through. Again, it's important we don't stop, pardon me, but use the momentum that you have created by the rocking motion. And rock back from one side to the other. This is backward roll from a low or sitting position. Now let's look at a backward roll from a standing position. To do this one, I will go sideways. I will pick one side and cross that leg behind. So legs alone, that's my motion. That's my motion. But you notice when this is happening, my knee is now up. That shoulder and this knee will now work together to come through on that roll. So, from standing position, one knee and come through.